Welcome to Lifestyle Med with Dr. Jade. Health, it's a lifestyle. Hi guys, and welcome back to Lifestyle Med with Dr. Jade, and welcome to my kitchen. I'm so excited to do this 4-part clean eats in under 20 minutes series. And if you haven't checked out my meal prepping video, my how to meal prep like a boss video, I'll put that link down in the description box so you can check that out. This is gonna make your life so much easier, and you will be able to do all these meals within 20 minutes if everything's already meal prepped. So check that video out after if you haven't already seen it. And today in part 1 of our cooking series, we're gonna be doing a sweet and smoky cauliflower with bok choy. Let's get to cooking. And here's our ingredients: our diced cauliflower, our chipotle chili pepper, sweet chili sauce, low sodium soy sauce, brown jasmine rice, and fresh bok choy. Now we're gonna add a tablespoon of olive oil to our pan and turn it on medium high. Once our pan is hot, we toss our cauliflower in so each piece touches the pan. Next, we add a little bit of water to the pan. We call this a splash fry or a water fry, and then quickly cover the pan to let those cauliflowers soften just a little. And now for our chipotle chili pepper seasoning. This adds a lot of flavor and a little kick. And next, we add a spoonful of our sweet chili sauce to the pan and toss that. This is going to give it a lot of flavor. It's so delicious. Now in another pan, we add a tablespoon of olive oil. Heat that pan up. Once it's hot, we toss in our freshly chopped bok choy. And next I add a little splash of low sodium soy sauce. And now it's time to plate our meal. We top our brown rice with our beautiful cauliflower, surround it with our bok choy, and how delicious is that? Simple in under 20 minutes. Enjoy. If you enjoyed the music on this channel, make sure to check out the description box for your own custom music by C Major Nation. And as always, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and God bless.